Hello and welcome to littleGasthaus, the German sausage maker. Today we make a sausage in a jar. This will be Göttinger Beerwurst. Göttingen is a city almost in the center of Germany. It is in Lower Saxony, close to the Harz forest. Why in a jar? Well, because it's easier for you. I know it's always a hassle to get sausage casing, and you can even do this without a sausage filler. Let's see how we can do that. So here we have the pork belly, bone in 2.5 pound, and the pork shoulder about 2 pound, and we have to cut this to small pieces. First we remove the bones from the pork belly. Always make sure you use a sharp knife. And make sure you remove even the small parts of the bone. Remove the pork skin. We don't need this. Also cut the pork shoulder in pieces. This is a lean piece. Remove everything that doesn't belong in there. So we finish with cutting and chill it down in the freezer now. And now we add the spices and mix everything together before we put it in the grinder. Okay, at the cutting edge, I will give you more information about that on the blog, because you also can use phosphate baking powder and some ascorbate acid, also known as vitamin C. Add some ice water to make it more gooey and sticky, so it gets a real good binding. It will take a while before it looks like this. Now we fill the glasses, the jars. Make sure you're not filling all the way up to the top. Just leave a little space. Clean the edge of the glass. Make sure the lid is sealing very tight. So they're all filled. Well, the problem is you usually don't get that very tight. There's still some space in there, but that's not a big problem. The thermometer should be set to cooking, and we put the jars in before the water is cooking, so they're not breaking and heating up with the water. 1 hour when the water is cooking. Well, this is what we got out of it. So I'm gonna open smells good. Beerwurst. And that's what it looks like. Gonna see what it tastes like. See, there's a little bit of gelatin getting separated. That's okay because we mix it by hand. We put them twice in the grinder, but we didn't use a cutter. So it's not as fine as it could be. Beerwurst, homemade. Looks good. So you should try it. It's easy, it's in a jar. You don't need a filler. You don't need casings. Perfect for homemade. It will last for a long time. It probably stays good for 6 months or even longer. If you work clean, make sure everything is sealed right. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you back next time at the littleGasthaus. Thumb up, and if you haven't done that, subscribe, set the bell, whatever you want. Okay.